Guys, I'm back with another video here today. Today we are seeing how fast my car can go in Driving Empire. Okay, so basically I've maxed out my car. I will show you guys the specs right now. Okay, so there's also a new update, Halloween update, but that's not the point of the video. Yeah. Okay, so this is my McLaren. Let me just check. 2017 McLaren 720 S Coupe. It's an insanely fast car. I have tested it, but I have also made it a little bit different. So yeah, let me just put down this a little bit. Okay. Okay, guys. So yes, I'm McLaren Lux. Let me show you that I actually have maxed out all the everything. Okay, so performance, my engine, race engine, everything maxed out. My quad turbos maxed out. My brakes, race brakes maxed out. Race tires maxed out. Nitro's powerful boost, nice, maxed out. And it's on all-wheel drive. So yeah, okay, so this is actually gonna go insanely fast. So let's see how fast it can go. No way, this dude actually had a Lamborghini, bro. Yeah. But I just want to show you guys another car. This is the car I actually got for free, or not for free technically. I must add 50,000 of that stuff, gems. But yeah, look at this. It's not so bad actually, it's actually also quite fast. But that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is this car, how fast this car can go. Okay guys, so we are on a race now. So let's test how fast it can go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, wait, I'm gonna read it. Let me just. Okay, so the plan is I'm gonna respawn it. Okay, so I'm gonna hop out now. Then I'm gonna respawn it. So I'm gonna respawn it now, so it's in a straight line actually. Okay, let me just do like this. Wait, I must get it in a straight line. There we go. Okay, let me. Okay, so. Okay, wait. Okay, so. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I don't know if you guys could see, but it got up to 456. Okay, so now we are gonna test it in a highway race. Okay, let's go to races, highway race, there we go. Okay, so now we are gonna test it in a highway race. Okay, let me just go show you for it to be quick. Okay, let's go. Okay, so highway race, probably one of the easiest races for a fast car, and it's the gears shoots like super fast. Yeah. Let's test it. No ways, how am I using it against the board? Actually, bro. How did I lose against the board, bro? Okay, so I don't know if you guys saw, but it will be on the screen anyways. But it got up to 406 and 56. So that is the fastest my car can go. And in the next episode or in the next video of this, I will have. Let me just show you guys which car I will have. I will have this car, and without any modifications, it is actually really quickly, because look at the 429 miles per hour or 20 miles or whatever. But yeah, so if I buy this car, sell my other car, then I can mod out this car, and this car will be like insanely fast. And this is its top speed just for its top speed is 429 miles per hour without any modifications, so that is insane. And I will buy this car in the next video. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, because maybe you will get this car in real life.